Are you tired of guessing what products will sell and what won't? In this video, we're diving deep into proven product research methods that will help you find winning products with confidence. Whether you're into dropshipping, e-commerce, or launching your own brand, mastering product research is the key to standing out and making real profits. Let's get into it. First is you should know the tools you should use. First is the Dropship.io and the Google Sheet. First is open your Dropship.io, go to Add Library. Next is go to Filters and select it all. We're going to find competitors. In the country, choose any country you want to find. Your competitors is free will to choose what country you want. Next is in the last scene, just find the last 7 days and click it, and never look for competitors who are not running any ads. Now click on search. Before anything else, don't forget the sheet. You should make a sheet with a label such as date, product code, product name, source of research. In the source of research, just put Dropship.io, stores, creative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, competitor FB ads library, competitor product page link, and also make a separate sheet for your competitors. Now is go back to the Dropship.io page. The first thing you will not forget is always make sure to check the active ads. And now starting to find some ads. For example, you already find one. First is put the link of your competitors in the competitors sheet. Now go back to the Dropship page and copy the product link and paste it in the sheet with the label competitor product page link. Next is go back to the page and copy the link to put in the competitors FB ads library and paste in there. Now you can start filling up some information in the sheet like the product name, and if they have creative, copy the link and paste it in the sheet. And also you don't want to test product that having test for 1 to 2 days because it's not validated yet. And next is go back to the page and copy the link and paste it in the competitor FB ads library and fill up some like the product name, the name of the stores, if they have some creative, copy and paste into the sheet. And do it again. It's always same step as the first one. Find some ads, copy their page link and paste it into your sheet and fill up those needed in the sheet. Next is you can now change the country if you already done finding one country, and you will do the same thing at the first. Go to your Dropship app and check all the categories, change the country, change the last scene to last 7 days and click confirm. Find some competitors and copy the page and paste it in your sheet in the competitors. Then go back and find some ads and copy the links you all needed and paste it in the sheet. After finding those links, start to fill all the information needed in the sheet and do that like 5 ads or more. And this is some tips for product research. You always want to make sure you can have a consistent flow for your team that they can find on daily base, certain amount of price that you want to test on daily base. For example, if you want to test consistently 10 products per day, 10 different products across all your stores every day, you need to make sure you add on at least 10 to 15 products every day so you can keep a consistent flow. Regarding to the product research, it's not only about finding one good product through a product, so you always want to make a consistent flow of a specific amount of product add on to your listing for quotation with the supplier. So you really make sure to follow the process. Set up a rule on how many products you want to test, really push that amount of daily base so there's a consistent flow for new products loaded every day. And that's a wrap on the ultimate product research method. Now you're equipped with the strategies to find high demand, low competition products that actually sell. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you found this helpful. Keep researching smart and turn those insights into income. See you in the next one.